Hi guys, this video may be different as I am sharing with you the story of how it all started, as a wildlife channel. As a normal person doing daily routines going and coming back from work, I noticed how abundant this city with wildlife, from lizards, mammals and birds are everywhere. But one bird intrigued me. The black-naped Oriole. Why am I seeing yellow minors? Or is it really a minor? Asking to my innocent self, and tried to take photo using my mobile phone, but failed as it is not capable of doing so. Then my quest started, realizing acquiring a camera may be a help to capture the beautiful bird. I've roamed the city parks and nature reserves, taking photos of the sceneries, squirrels, and large lizards, but what are those yellow birds? They were up so high and my camera can't reach them. The research goes on and acquired a huge lens to supplement the urge of capturing the bird's image. In one big moment while I was in the lakeside gardens, the yellow bird perched on a tree, then I snapped a photo. The research goes on and found the correct name of the bird and what the real species it is, a black-naped Oriole, Oriolus chinensis. I posted on social media, but seems my friends were not interested, or do I really have friends? Asking to myself, how can I share more about birds and wildlife I am encountering in this city? I began taking videos and sharing to YouTube, where I named this channel, Parks at SG, or Parks at Singapore. This channel does not aim to acquire thousands of subscribers, but my goal is to share and educate people like me, with the same interest. Sharing the moments to my audience is how I see the creatures in person and encourage people to roam outside, in the parks and in nature, to forget technology, internet and chaos of life they're experiencing. Only for one bird, the black-naped Oriole, and this channel started. May you enjoy watching this yellow birds. Black-naped Oriole. Scientific name, Oriolus chinensis. Malay name, Kunyit Besar.
Chinese name, 黑枕黄鹂.
Range, breeding range, OR, widespread. Taxonomy, Polytypic. Subspecies are diffusus, andamanensis, macrourus, maculatus, mundus, sipora, richmondi, lamprochryseus, insularis, melanisticus, sangirensis, formosus, celebensis, frontalis, stresemanni, boneratensis, broderipi, chinensis, yamamurae, suluensis. Local subspecies, diffusus, maculatus. Size, 24.5 to 27.5 centimeters. Identification, golden yellow medium-sized bird with a broad black band across eye and hindcrown. Iris reddish, bill pink. Most of wings black. Subspecies diffusus told apart from nominate race as tertials and inner secondaris yellow on outer edge rather than black. Habitat, widespread. Urban parks, scrub, degraded forests, mangroves. Behavior ecology, omnivorous, feeding on a wide range of food such as fruits and insects. Sometimes joins mixed flocks in fruiting trees. Local status, very common resident and very rare migrant. Conservation status, least concern, BirdLife International 2018. Location, widespread, including Central Catchment Forest, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, Dairy Farm Nature Park and Kent Ridge Park. Thank you for watching. It is always up to you to like, subscribe or share the knowledge about wildlife to other audiences. Peace.